now, two teams will be ripping it up in this regular season game.
I'm sold, Don, so let's sit back and watch the Minnesota Wild and the Carolina Hurricanes. O'Neill was offside. Langdon. Hill now with the puck. Walls has it. Nielsen corrals it. Stewart gobbles it up. He hits the post. Langdon. Adams. Walls shoves him. Stewart controls the puck. Hill runs over Walls. Adams. Cole gets hold of the puck. Fires! Stoned by Rolison.
He was not going to let that one slip by.
Nielsen dumps the puck in. Hedican takes possession. Cole. Carolina grabbed it. Cole. Rolison with an awesome save.
And that save will be coming soon to posters everywhere.
Rolison hangs on for the whistle. Brindamore won the faceoff. Rolison makes the save. Gaborik. Brindamore pushes him. Gaborik shoots the puck. Brindamore. Wrist shot denied by Rolison. Brindamore shoots. He's ripped the puck. Kapanen grabbed it. Rolison stoned him.
Try again later, fellows.
Rolison hangs on for the whistle. Bonin. Kapanen stops the shot. Francis corrals the puck. Carolina scooped it up. Kapanen shot the puck. Rolison hangs on for the whistle. Brindamore wins the draw. Cole, quick shot. He misses the net. Shot blocked. Benisic. Stewart. Neal.
There seems to be a fight going on, and I thought we were having a nice friendly game.
What was your first clue, Sherlock? He knocks him down.
The guy said, "Let's go," so he showed him where he was going.
Minnesota penalty to number 20.
O'Neill.
And Stewart, a 5-minute major for fighting.
Hit. O'Neill put the puck between his skates.
And skates away.
Hendrickson jumps on the loose puck. Intercepted in the neutral zone. Bonin grabs the puck.
Now that deke is a keeper. Think he can do it again?
That's icing. Gaborik. Tanabe holds him up. Gaborik, hard shot. Running with the puck. Drury grabbed it. Minnesota puts its scoring line out. Drury takes control of the puck. Running. Ronning fires it. Oh, he missed. Drury. Kuba takes possession of the puck. Ronning trapped offside and play is stopped. Park won the face-off. Dowd. He scoops up the loose puck. Park, backhanded shot. Dowd jumps on it. Hedican.
Last minute of play in the first period.
It's one-on-one. Cole shoots. Roos jumps on the loose puck. Park took it.
That's the first.
Minnesota looking a tie game in the face.
Well, if they look at firing the puck in the net, things could really work out for them, Jim.
Tonight's game.
It's been fun to watch, Jim.
Yes, it's been hockey at its finest.
Hockey? I'm talking about that 10-foot-long piece of toilet paper stuck to the bottom of your shoe. Hey, buddy, where's the parade?
Man alive. Francis. O'Neill. Kapanen gets hold of the... Brilliant save!
How cool is that?
O'Neill. Kapanen. Zoltok with the puck. Kapanen whips it. He picks it up. Wesley grabbed it. Rolison denies him. And they get called for icing. The face-off goes to the Hurricanes. Brunette gets in the way. Ronning.
That confirms it, Jim. He can deke with one hand tied behind his back.
Kapanen. Francis grabs the puck. Brunette.
He's in the hunt for 100 goals in his career. He's already got 98.
Brindamore. Ronning intercepts the pass. Gaborik with a wrist shot. Hedican. Battaglia takes control of the puck. Brindamore. Kuba now with it. Rolison hangs on for the whistle. Bonin. Henriksen shoots the puck from the right. Westland picked it up. Henriksen fires it. Westland. It's one-on-one. Malik gets hold of the puck. Westland. Battaglia grabbed it. Brindamore takes control. He's all alone. Battaglia. Rolison turned the shot aside. Battaglia had his pocket pick. Hedican scoops up the loose puck. Bombardier gives it away. Herbers gets a hold of it. Adams shoots it. Stick save. Bonin. Adams stops the shot. Ward gets thrashed. Langdon. Drury takes possession of the puck. That's icing. Wesley takes control of the puck. O'Neill takes it. Shot from the right. Rolison shut the door.
1 minute, he's standing in the net minding his own business. The next, blammo!
Rolison hangs on for the whistle. The face-off goes to Carolina. Brunette. He takes control of the puck. Gaborik grabbed it. He's got a breakaway. Shoots! Gaborik scores! Great goal!
All I can say is, I'm glad I was in the arena to see that goal.
One team's triumph is another one's heartbreak.
But it's nothing compared to the heartbreak of problem dandruff. Not that I know.
Of course. Ronning goes offside and the play is stopped. Nielsen. Benisic.
I hope you haven't had your fill of hockey action, because we'll be serving up some more shortly.
Display in the main concourse. There you can demo NHL 2003, the most exciting hockey game ever.
Hi, and welcome back. Let's get set to start the third period.
The third's my favorite period.
That's great, Don. Ronning is tough to beat at faceoffs. It's one of his stronger areas, Don.
He has what it takes, the right stuff, the straight goods. Am I making it clear?
Painfully. Wesley with the puck. Francis gets it. Hill. Kapanen grabbed it. Gaborik. Gaborik scores! It just crossed the line, but it counts. This guy really knows how to make it happen.
And in this case, it is an awesome goal. He hit that puck so hard that, Jim?
What? Don't look at me. Minnesota wants to take ownership of this third period.
Think of that goal as a down payment.
Cole. Offside. Brunette. Ronning gets shoved. Hill gets the puck. Kuba grabs it. Urbe shuts the door.
Right back at you. Booyah!
Sakarash steals the puck. He's in control now. Gaborik. Hedican pushes Gaborik. Battaglia scoops up the loose puck. Brindamore. Gets away a hard shot. Zoltok. Minnesota scoops it up. Battaglia. Fires! The door is shut by Rolison.
Sometimes it all comes down to the man in the net, and this is the twine minder you want.
Henriksen. Shoots the puck. Blocked. Cole picks up the puck from Urbe. Battaglia. Zoltok has it. O'Neill. Fired it. Rolison denies him.
How could he not have stopped that one?
Rolison freezes the puck. I'm sure you'll agree the save on this slap shot is worth a second look.
And if you don't agree, you can take this second out to see if you left the stove on.
Brunette got the puck. He grabs it. Brindamore. O'Neill grabs it. Vasicek takes possession. Hill. O'Neill now with it. Carolina in control now. Sticks. O'Neill scores!
I think we just saw a candidate for a new stamp. It's a perfect example, Jim. Rinse, lather, repeat. I mean, go to the net and get rewarded. Sorry, I was thinking about my hair again.
Carolina will not roll over.
Just a little hustle and they can tie it.
I smell a big finish.
Actually, that's my sandwich. Tuna fish and onion. You want a bite?
Maybe later. Stewart takes control of the puck. Brindamore misses the net. Backhand. Walls gets in the way. Mitchell with the puck. The Wild dump it. Carolina has it now. Battaglia. Brindamore has it. Cole grabbed it. Fired hard from the left. Rolison stoned him cold. Tanabe shoots. He jumps on the loose puck. He knocked him into the middle of next week. Nielsen gets the puck. He gets shoved. Walls controls the puck.
That was sweet, Jim. High five. Come on, don't leave me hanging. Yeah!
Carolina is pulling the goalie.
Hey, why not?
Vasicek gets checked through net. Play ends as the puck is shot into the crowd. Ward fires hard. Zoltok now with it. Bombardier took it. Henriksen has it now. He misses the net. And it's icing against Minnesota.
So, Jim, any guesses as to who's going to win this faceoff?
No, Carolina loses the draw.
Not part of the grand plan, I'm sure.
Henriksen gets leveled. O'Neill now with the puck. Missed the net. Hill grabs the puck with a howitzer. O'Neill with it now. Kapanen gets the shot off. Bombardier gets a hold of it. Empty netter.
Gives it some pine from the red line. In case you didn't get that, hit it with a stick from center ice.
What a way for them to relieve the tension.
That goal was better than one of those executive stress balls.
Malik scoops up the loose puck. Misses! Ronning takes possession of the puck. Westland. Carolina got it. Urbe is heading off.
And some other dude is heading on. Oh yeah, that's the extra attacker. Are you okay? Rough weekend, Jimbo.
Vasicek dumps the puck in. Brunette. He scores on the empty net.
Lays it down on the red line and comes up a winner.
Minnesota has won a large faceoff.
Let's rock.
Walls. Urbe close the door.
And by number 77.
It's finished. Minnesota is the winning team.
These guys were real sharpshooters. They took a lot of high percentage shots, and that was bad news for the other team.
And now for the three-star selection. Tonight's third star for Carolina, number 92, Jeff O'Neill. Tonight's second star for Minnesota, number 15, Andrew Brunette.
From St. Paul, Minnesota, this is Jim Houston signing off for myself and Don Taylor.
And this is Don Taylor signing off for myself and Jim Houston. Ha! Two can play at that game.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Inside my head, so I close my eyes.